god.
Ron banned.
Remember that white monkey? Remember that white monkey? I just saw him ban someone.
Who? Ban who?
Ron banned that white monkey.
Which white monkey?
Oh, wait, the only one that was here.
Oh my god!
Like this. He was like this, and then boom, gone. Wait,
He probably has a ban gun. He has a ban gun, bro.
Wait, guys, this is the car. Get your booty cheeks out the bench.
Ron, please don't ban me.
Get your butt down. I'm the court. I don't know what they're called.
I'm just gonna sit here. I'm too bored, bro. I'm too tired. Oh, hi, Echo. Hi, Echo.
Oh yeah. We're gonna talk about Ron today.
Where's his name? I'm just gonna do this because I'm literally sitting. I'm literally sitting down. I am literally sitting
Chase me. Bro, what the hell?
There's a red lady. Bro, what the hell? Chill.
Yo, I
I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. Bro, the ghost.
Yeah, I think he just thread someone's IP address.
Out of me.
I think he just thread someone's IP address.
Bro, that ghost scared the crap out of me. Bro, he's in treehouse. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's why I go on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro,
That's
what the
why
hell,
I'm
man?
talking.
Ghost scared
What the hell?
the crap out of me.
Wait, guys.
Echo, follow
Guys,
Echo.
go to bench. Go to bench.
Hey,
Go to bench. Where are you? Dab me up, my guy.
Yes, no.
Dab me up.
This is the most cursed cold I've ever been to. Bro, people were scaring
Bro,
the
you're the
crap
new
out of
judge?
me.
You're the new judge? Wait, why did you
Where
just
is
report
he?
me?
People scared the crap out of me.
Wait, why did Apex just report me?
No, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I misclicked it.
Oh, okay.
It misclicked.
Okay. So are we gonna talk about Rock? Shut up for a second.
Guys, I can. Oh god. Okay, I don't think you're gonna get banned, Timmy. Black. I can hear it on there. I can hear it on yours. No. Over and over again. Summon goes.
Oh my god.
I need a modder in here too. Ooga chaka. We need PvP, so say ooga. What the? Bro, my mom chase me. You're gonna chase me.
Wait, I want to see Jay McCurley. Guys, Jay McCurley be like.
He's looking at me.
Wait, guys, did he go to the ban? Is he going to ban someone?
He got banned. He crushed him.
By who?
I thought he broke his Oculus.